Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your day so far with your loved ones. Today we are decorating my coffee table, and as always I'm giving you two different styling ideas for you to choose from, and don't forget to comment at the end of the video please. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Shule. If you like motivational and inspirational home decor related videos, you are definitely in the right channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. If you've seen my video Shop With Me at Home Bargains, you probably remember me buying these. This is a magnetic candle topper and I really love how beautiful it is and how unusual this product is. It coordinates perfectly with my acrylic dia that I bought from B&M store. And here's style number 1. Cozy Glam. For my second one, I'm going to do a bauble arrangement in this beautiful bowl that is from Turkey. It's purple, it has textures and I really love it. And all the baubles that I will be using here are sold individually and they are all glass. Some from HomeSense, some from the Range store and some from B&M.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
Let's add the blacks as well. As you know, I'm going for black as well as my usual colors this season. I absolutely love beaded garland. I don't know what it is, but every single year I bring and sometimes I buy additional beaded garlands. I just love it. It's so glamorous to me, even though you can buy it in Poundland.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for all.
Let's organize it. I have similar size new mirror that I bought from HomeSense next to it, so I have two items exactly same size, different shapes, side by side. I'm just going to add different ears, glamorous again, to complete the look. Then I will show you around. And here's style number 2.
Acquaintance be